doing? Fucking moron. Whoa, dude. Jesus. Alright, it needs more. Whoa. What are you doing, man?
Like, oh, garage doors don't open. Tacos is one night. Sentence goes, when Jesse Cox doesn't talk to horny chick. Okay. We're watching him play through Final Fantasy 16. And spoilers, I guess. Very minor, but spoilers. There's an NPC who, like, as the main story progresses, she updates.
Got this, dude?
Nintendo 64 is steadily on my grind. I've been building my kingdom a couple G's at a time. Until I cop a villa sitting on the beach with a dime. Sandwich me and some wine. That's when my living is right. Until then, get about.
They divorced when I was 13 and drove her vacation. Despite everything, my mom fought tooth and nail for a fair alimony to support George and me. And I've worked hard to understand, forgive, and appreciate how far she's come. The rest of us are painted as threats or enemies. I supported them from the start. I recognized the power imbalance and knew they'd need allies. But the moment I pointed out that they too might be contributing to the tension, I became the problem. I could say so much more, but right now.
Yo, brought you on the wrong side of the road. Holy shit. Guess what? That's gonna be forever.
Yay.
Fuck off. That guy pointed at you.
No.
Really?
Oh my god! What the fuck is going on?
Backing up, or what do you? Okay. Do something. This is for walking. How's that going for you? Pretty fun. I've noticed I do it a lot more when I get high. Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. Look out in front of you. Yeah, she's really descended. She's looking everywhere except at that guy who's U-turning in the street.
What are you doing? What the fuck?
Yep. Trigger warning, this conversation does lead into talks of poop.
So she would, this is a wild conversation, honestly. And we're blessed with the guests that we talk to.
Yeah.
They're not shy.
I love that.
They're just like, pop down.
You have to fucking stop. Buddy. Okay. Honking.
That one.
Oh, dick.
I don't want gonna die today. Somewhere, somehow, some way. We all go somewhere, somehow, some way.
Jesus.
Somewhere, somehow, some way. We all go somewhere, somehow.